What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Today I've got me a neck fan. This is the RANVOO AICE LITE. So this is a brand new model in 2025. They just sent this one to me and asked me to take a look at it. The reason why they did that was because I have been using their products for the past year or so. I've got the super big one, that has a lot of features. Then I got just the regular AICE one, and then now this 2025, this is the light one as well. So anyway, I wanted to unbox this one, take a look at it. Now, the thing is, they say this is brand new, and the box actually looks like last year's box. So I don't know if it's like new or what, but let me just take a look at it. So today we're going to take a look at this thing together. Summer is around the corner, and yeah, I'm trying to get all of these in as much as I can because I know that I shoot video outside a lot, and I do depend on these quite a bit. If you are new to the neck fan business, I don't know what you call it. If you're new to this kind of thing, the neck fan thing, check them out. It's pretty useful for, especially if you live like in hot weather area like Texas or something like that. It's very useful. Okay. So here's all the instruction booklet with QR codes and so on and so forth. There's the accessory box. I'm pretty sure the box itself has, yeah, oh well, it has an updated USB-C cord because it's now right angle USB-C cord. Okay, wow. So the design is very similar to my other ones, but it looks like they've incorporated two of the models into here. So the high-end one and the light one from last year. I wonder if that's a touch screen there because that's from the high-end model. Okay, so close look at this real quick. USB-C is still at the bottom right here. And they still got the blow in your back type of fan back here. If you're new to this whole neck fan thing, these are cold plates right here that goes all around. So as you can see, the neck part right here goes down a little bit more. This is, it's got some weight to it for sure. And now, if you look back here, you can see that you can expand this. They got the usual button up on the top here, and then the up and down button. That's to increase and decrease the speed. The design is very beautiful. I mean, they've added a lot more holes back here for the fans to suck in. So let's turn it on. So already I can hear the fan going. On the side right here, you got a little LED. Tells you the battery's full, and also C3. Now, it's a good thing that this is not a touch screen because I think their high-end one had the touch screen and it was a little bit hard to work with as it's around your neck. So change the fan speed right there. Pretty sure C stands for cold. That's it. Just turn on, turn off. Yeah, super simple. Power button, up and down. The fan is blowing straight out of these holes right here. Yep, it's sucking in to this area. And in terms of fan blowing, yeah, all of these right here are blowing out. Okay, yeah, I mean, this is beautiful, guys. See here, ooh, that's super cold. Oh, it's so cold. All right, so look at this, okay? This back right here is actually touching the back of my neck, and it goes all the way up to here. And yeah, the entire thing is a cold plate right here. Feels good in here. It looks like a towel over you, I think, in my opinion. Probably go running with this. I'm thinking, yeah, you probably go running with this. It doesn't like fall off or anything like that. Trying to shake it as much as I can. By the way, this is the max, like, that it'll expand out, and then this is obviously you can go in a lot more, but my neck is stopping it. Yeah, so guys, it's pretty much like a wet towel that you put on over you. The design is still very similar to last year's model. They did do some upgrade to it. That's what I noticed. There's more holes here. The whole like LED and stuff like that is more simplified now. It's just a button and up and down, which is great because when I have it over here, I can't really see the LED right here. And so touchscreen is probably not a good thing, which is awesome that they removed that. And yeah, you just turn it on and up and down. That's it. That's all you need. Okay, so I have a temperature gun right here. I'm going to see if I can turn this thing on. And I'm going to measure the cold plate to see how cold it gets. So right now, let's take a look at how cold that cold plate is. It is about 84 degrees. $78 now. Oh, 71. That's fast. 70, 69. 70 again. Let's get to the back right here. 77, 78. So right in the middle, you get a colder reading. So here's 68 right here, 67, and that is about 1 minute right there. So it can go from 80 down to like 67 that you see right here. 69, 64. 65. Yep, 64, 65. So it's hanging out around there. 71 in some spot there. 65, 63. So 63 is so far the lowest that I've seen. Yeah, on this side is the same way. It's about 63, 62. You see right here. So on both sides. Okay, so there you go. 62 in about a minute and a half. It gets from 80 to 62, those cold plates. Okay, well, there you go, guys. That's the RANVOO AICE Max is what they call it. This is the RANVOO AICE LITE, okay, with the AICE Mac on there. Pretty cool stuff. Every summer, I need one of these. This is probably one of the high-end one that you can get. It's great for a gift, by the way, because it's priced pretty reasonable for a gift. So totally recommend this one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.